Hello traders, in this video we are going to see about in gold. I have taken a trading relation section, so which gives my target. So how I take this trade, what are the confirmation I have used here? Okay, very simple. I have marked 8 p.m. highs and 8 p.m. lows in New York section, no Asian section, sorry. So which means 20 p.m. and I'm marking the chart. After that, we have the higher time period and SMT is silver and IFEG is my entry model and I targeted below symbols. So my target is just here. I just drag here. So my initial target, my overall target is here. I have closed all my position in here. I'm not holding the price from here. So which is 1 is to 2 R. My trade entry is 1 is to 2 R. So it's a good entry model and good plus 2 ratio 1 is to 2 in Asian section. So I'm not expecting 1 is to 3. I'm just backtesting this for past 3 days. So I'm not going to say this is the strategy. What I did in the chart and how do you do this in the chart. So let's end the video and see how this works. So guys, let's end the video. So I'm learning everything from this video. The video will be seeing everything. With your father, I will be going into a higher time. I will be reading the pills from the higher time, then only you can understand this. So overall bias is in weekly, you know about gold, it is bullish. Right now we are in daily. What the daily show? Daily is inversing this FEB and showing bullish sign. So in daily also market is bullish. So what we are going to expect is market is going to be go up. Okay, right? So in 4 hour. So in this very simple, we are in 4 hour. In weekly and daily, we see that what the market is doing. In weekly and 4 hour, market is stand in the bullish. And here also, right here, market is inversing this FEG. So market is filling this volume balance. So market is showing the sign of bullish. So why I take here sell? So very simple concept, guys. You know about ERL to IR. So I always to teach you about this is the external range liquidity, right? In 4 hour. So I will be switching to 1 hour, right? We can see here, here is a FEG, right? You can see here, there is a FEG for 1 hour. So here I am marking this FEG. Why? Because the FEG is holding the price. Okay, so I mark this FEGs. So what I did here, very simple. So first we need to mark this candle. First we need to mark this 8 p.m. candle, which is 20. So mark the swing highs and lows. So I mark this swing highs and lows right here. I mark above swing highs and lows. Okay, I think you may understand. I have marked here above swing highs and lows. So buy side and here is a sell side. Why I take a sell side is very simple. Now the market is going to take the IRL to ERL. So I'm targeting market should be going below this FEG or touching this tapping this FEG. So the reason behind this one of the confirmation that me in this trade is I will be selling the SMT with silver. So right now we are watching this. I am not going to add the silver chart right here. Why? Because we are going to see SMT with silver. What does the market did here? Market sweep this highs. So we call this as SMT, right? This is the buy side liquidity of 1 hour. Right in higher time, it is a high of 8 p.m. candle. So, but in silver market breakout this, that we call this as a SMT, right? So we get the manipulation occur in silver, but the manipulation does not occur in which gold. So I can get a confirmation. Market is get a manipulation in silver. So our SMT is confirmation. The market is going to be inverse. So you can go to higher time frame like 15 minutes. Next, I'm going to a lower time frame in 5 minutes. I will be switching one time frame, and we need to have a higher time frame. So if SMT, if the market is taking on SMT, the market should have another VDR inside this. So we can see here is the order block, right? There is the order block minus OB. Okay, right? Higher time PDRA in 5 minutes. In 1 hour, we are seeing analyzing the chart in 1 hour. So our analyze should be in, so can I say, we are analyzing the chart in 1 hour. So our PDRA should be marked in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So that's not a problem. Next I'm going to 1 minute and I will symbol. I just targeted below this loss. I'm not arguing symbol as so I just followed this rules and I see here's the inversion of Fiji, first inversion of Fiji. Okay, and I mark this inversion of Fiji, right? This is the Fiji and said that yesterday I have video, I have uploaded a video related to how to take aggression entry. So this is called aggression entry. So I have taken this entry right here and I am waiting for a market to body to close and I am waiting to market to give this short position right here. So my stop loss is right here. I'm targeting about this universe and my target below this universe. I'll be getting 2 is to 1 is to 2. You can see here 1 is to 2. It's a good risk to reward ratio. So I have taken this trade, but it's good. I'm using it for past 2 days and doing it for regularly. And if I did for 1 month, if I have a good result, I'll be correctly uploading how this work in the market and how do you take this in your market. So I think you may understand this video. If you have doubt in this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you guys. Just say this. Like this.